today my plan was to stop at a haunted lodge. When I was riding towards it, I was trying to tune in and it looked like ranch hands waiting around for me to show up. And then I was coming down the mountain, so I totally missed the turn or something. Kind of lame. But I mean, I end up where I end up. I'm in this little town, and I think this is associated with White Sands. And White Sands is a military base, so I think that the aerospace guy is bringing me here or sending me here. Would that make sense? Is that correct? That's correct. I don't know. It seemed like I should do that. This text is EVP captions from EVPs I hear later while editing. If you want to hear it, you're gonna need headphones. Any spirits? I'm Brett. I'm a psychic medium. And I like to film my interactions with you guys, so if there's anybody here, you can talk to my guides, talk to my team, find out what they suggest. And yeah, you guys heard me correctly, and I was not trying to lock myself out.
Mobile phone 1 disconnected. Mobile phone 1 connected. Mobile phone 1 disconnected. Mobile phone 1 connected.
We've got folks commenting in this room. There are spirits. I heard you when I was going back out. I heard you say, watch, he'll do it again with the door. Let's tell Crystal where I am. We have it set up so that my latitude and longitude on Google Maps will be sent to her whenever I enter a code or whenever she enters a code, so she can track me. And I'm never doing anything that's disrespectful to her or bad. I do stuff that's stupid, but I need to hydrate, I need to charge stuff, I need to transfer files. If they had a laundry room, I should do laundry. Do you guys have a laundry room at this hotel? Somebody's like, I don't know, I'm not from here. Okay. First trial, trial 1. Yes. So I am in Alamogordo, and I think I still have my aerospace person with me, and I'm seeing streaks and stuff, but I'm not sure if that's just my eyes, like me looking around. Now I'm trying to figure out who's here, who came with me. Does anybody live here at the hotel or in this little area? Hearing yes and no. So I'm trying to ground, and I'm visualizing myself as a tree, and I may have an attachment or something. I'm going to come back to that because I feel like I'm seeing more than just me in the torso and the trunk. And I feel like my guides and everybody are on alert and probably taking care of that. And I'm seeing a scene that looks like an usher at a movie theater, like walking up the aisle with a flashlight and saying, okay, you guys, you need to leave. And it's kind of like getting caught sneaking in the exit door in movie theater. Okay. Feeling pressure in my forehead. It's an unpleasant pressure. Let's get back to this focus. Some noise just went silent in the room. It's making me aware that my ears are ringing. A twinge on my thumb. A noise right next to me right here. It's a very different noise. It was a little shh. A noise right next to me right here. Torso moving up to the limbs, branches, leaves, and moving out into the, and that's kind of where I open up. And I'm connecting up, light going up. I feel like I'm requiring more effort to hear and see. Feeling slightly off balance, like I'm leaning to the side. And I'm seeing something that looks like a crown or a halo around my head, but it is made of chain links. What is this? And I feel that like other pieces of the chain go out and connect to other things, and I don't know what that is. Is this related to me, or is this related to something else or someone else? And I feel like this is something that I'll see. A circular chain with maybe seven other chains going off. And it might be that there's a circular thing on the top and on the bottom, and it's connected out. So it's some sort of containment thing or something to hold something. We'll have to see if this shows up. I feel like there's a lot of to be continued. I think we're getting little clues of things that are coming up later. I'm really trying to listen. I'm trying to listen, but I'm seeing stuff. So this is something that happens with me, at least, and I think it happens with other psychics and other mediums. Our guides will have us focus on using one kind of perception, and we'll kind of hone that. So normally I'm hearing them. I'm hearing a lot. And this time I'm seeing little glimpses. And the way I do clairvoyance, and it's not like I'm choosing to do it this way. I'm just opening up and letting information come in, letting impressions come in. I see it like a memory. Remembering a scene from a favorite movie, remembering what you had for breakfast. You can kind of see that in your head. And what was I seeing? A sign with a number on it. And I'm assuming that's a road sign. I was seeing 14, and I don't think I was seeing 14. I think I'm just trying to figure out what it was. And that's kind of where you run into issues. You just need to catch it the first time it comes around instead of trying to analyze it. Is this mediumship? Am I listening to you guys? Am I getting information from you guys? Or is it psychic stuff? I think I'm seeing Aqua Teen Hunger Force. I'm seeing the fries. It's like cartoon with these fries. And I think I'm interfering, and I'm trying to come up with, like, well, explain that to me. And I feel like it's like I go to McDonald's or something like that, and it is going to really send me in a direction. Like, that's where I'm going to get my clue about what to do or where to go. Does that make sense? Is that correct? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to talk to my guides real quick. Guides, can you give a few pointers on how viewers can meet their guides? Somebody said, like the telephone. Do you just imagine like you're on a telephone call? You just call them. Yeah, it's really as easy as imagining picking up a phone call and having the intention of talking to your guides and having that conversation. Should I do that with one of my guides? So the sound I heard before I could even get the question or idea out was a busy signal. Is it busy because you're already here? We're already doing the thing? All right, well, I'm not getting a whole lot of information that I'm hearing or seeing. It's coming in and going so fast that I'm not communicating it. Because I'm seeing a horizontal disc that's low, like that just flashed through, and I couldn't tell the context of it or the environment around it. There's a flicker on the ceiling, like a bright flicker. All right, I'm seeing tic-tac-toe, or at least something like tic-tac-toe. Mad Libs. What is this? What are you showing me? Hearing the telephone. What about that attachment? What about what happened with that? And where are they from? I feel like it's just somebody, it's almost like somebody that wants to ride on the motorcycle with me. And it feels like I just picked them up somewhere. Like, it's like two kids that want to do joyriding. They just like the idea of riding a motorcycle. All right, I'm starting to think that I'm tired. Like right now it is 10:24. So my guide started to, it's kind of like clapping hands, like, okay, everybody move out. If anybody needs help, please help them. I feel like some folks are in it for the duration. So I'm seeing the word RV, recreational vehicle. So yeah, I mean, I guess people are on vacation with me, and I'm coming up with the idea of me like holding a flag for like running a tour. Feeling something on my face. All right, everybody, I gotta go to bed. So, thank you everybody for participating, and I'll see you later. All right, bye. Good night.